Ambassador Blume and the Consul General and the entire team for visiting the Chief Minister's house and visiting Sindh. I'm grateful for the help that they've reached out at this difficult time when we're facing unprecedented rains and flood situation in the province. Pakistan and the United States have been great friends, and here in Sindh, we are especially grateful for the help that the US government has been giving in education, in culture, in the energy sector, in the health sector in the province of Sindh, and we look forward to a very strong and good relationship with the United States. Thank you.
Minister, for seeing me today. We just had a good meeting, and we talked about some of the hardships and suffering that have been caused by the recent rains and flooding. And we're very happy that we're able to announce today a new $1 million U.S. grant that's going to go to help Sindhi farming communities build their resilience in the face of extreme weather events like this that unfortunately have become more common in recent years. It'll also help the Sindh government as well as the governments of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Gilgit-Baltistan to plan for their disaster relief to deal with future flooding situations.